'cause I'm giving, I'm fucking crushed. You just couldn't even care at all. But maybe I'll get over this, and maybe I'll grow up from it. But all I keep thinking is, it should've been me. It should've been me.